So in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can fix the PHP error in your WordPress website. So if you are facing any kind of PHP error in your WordPress website, then in just one click how you can just fix this error. So you may have watched any video previously, but they just make this stuff complicated, and you can't able to solve this problem. You try to modify your website and you did some error there, and now you want to correct it again. So how you can do it? So watch this video, and after it you won't be regret, and your problem will be 101% solved. So the best and the easiest way that I will tell you to solve this problem is just do a backup of your website. So I'm using Hostinger, but you may be using any other hosting service like from GoDaddy, SiteGround, Namecheap, anything. But all of them will provide you to this backup feature, so that they also know that developers always do mistake, and how we can just provide them good solution. So they create a backup of your website also. You see this, I have backup of 15 of this date. So what I can do is I can just go back to this time machine and take my website to this 15 of date. I did this error, PHP error in today's date, but in 15 my website is all set. So I can just do a backup of 15 and all my problem will be solved. So this is the most easiest and the simplest solution of this problem. So hopefully this video has helped you and this has solved your problem. If yes, give it a like, subscribe my channel, and all set. Thank you.